Hello, friends. I'm Abhishek, and I'm here to help you give some basic fitness tips and how to do some simple but very effective workouts at home. You do not have to necessarily go to a gym. You can do some basic workouts at home, and this is my new channel which I have launched this year, and I'm trying to encourage more people to be active, be more fit, and make fitness a habit and understand that fitness can be fun. So, in today's session, I'm going to give you some simple workouts that can be done as a warm up. So, today's session will be more about warm up exercises that you can do at the gym, right at the convenience of your home. They are very simple but very effective. So, let's start with some basic warm up workouts. So first, uh, you need to do some basic warm-ups. So just watch me as I do some warm-ups before I get started. So first, it's for the neck. You need to stretch your neck vertically and horizontally. You can do about 10, like maybe a set of 10 for each of the warm-up exercises. Okay, then I do a round clockwise and anti-clockwise. So this is the clockwise and this is the anti-clockwise. Now I stretch my shoulders. Forward and then back. And make sure you keep your head straight. Look straight while you're doing these workouts. Okay. Then you just stretch your hands. Now you do it vertically. Again, very important to keep your head straight. Okay. And next I'm going to warm up my hips. Just do a gentle twist clockwise and then anti-clockwise. Okay. Now warm up for your knees, very important. Just watch me. So this is for your knees. Okay. So next is for your toes. The bottom of your feet, the toes. So what you do is just balance on your toes. Rise up, down. Rise up, down. Okay. So I'm balancing myself on the toes. If you can see me, I'm going back. Just watch me. Okay. Uh, Next, I'm going to do something for my back. Again, very important, especially during this lockdown when we are all working from home. Some workouts or warm-ups for your back. Stand straight and slowly bend back. And again, come to forward position. And again, stretch as much as possible. Okay. Next, it's a very important workout. Uh, it's called the jumping jack. So let me show you how it's done. It's called a jumping jack. Okay. So if you can do the jumping jack, I would say maybe 3 sets. You can do 20 each and 3 sets. Okay, so a set of 20 3 times. So I think this is a very effective workout. And you can do a stand and jog or a stand and run just like this. Watch me. So these are all again very simple workouts but very effective workouts. So these are all different type of warm-up exercises that you can do, and in the coming sessions, in the coming videos, I'm going to show you more different type of workouts, and so stay tuned to my channel, and if you like my videos, please do subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit the bell icon so that you get notifications whenever I upload new videos. So until next time, it's bye, and keep working out and stay fit. Bye all.